Good morning, students. Today we will talk on a small topic which is very important for your life called career counseling. Those of you who have been watching my videos on YouTube, please like and subscribe my video so that you get my videos on priority. You get notification for that. Now, career counseling, if you look at it, we keep talking career counseling word to students and their parents from class 6 onwards up to 12th. Some people take counseling, some people take suggestions, some people take advice during 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, like that. Some people take just after 12th, some people take just after 10th. Let us try to understand what is career counseling, when it is supposed to be taken, when a student should ask relevant people, ask concerned, competent, professional people about their career counseling. I will tell you a small story for this. We can have a very nice idea from this story as to what is the correct time for taking this decision, what career I should choose, which area I should go after this class, that class, and things like that. The story goes something like this. In one school, biology teacher gave one practical for one set of students. He made the students into two groups, and one group he gave the practical with a frog. So the teacher said, you do the practical, I will come back in 2 minutes. So the students started doing the practical. They took the big vessel, they poured the water into that, and they put that vessel onto the burner, onto the stove, and put the burner on, and dropped the frog also into the water. The water started getting hot. Slowly it started getting hot. When frog came to know that water is becoming hot, he thought, oh, this is hot here. So he went to another place into the same vessel. And he kept on jumping inside the vessel from this place to that place, thinking that this is more hot. By the time he reaches the next place, the water was more hot that place because the burner was on. And he kept on moving inside the vessel for a couple of seconds. By that time, the water started boiling and the frog collapsed. The teacher came back and he said, what happened? So the students told, sir, the frog has died inside the vessel. He said, no, it is not possible. He gave the same thing, same practical to another set of students, and he was standing there. He thought, I will stand there and see. So the next set of students again did the same thing. They put the vessel onto the burner, and they put water into the vessel, and then they were trying to drop the frog there. The teacher said, no, don't drop the frog. Let the water get hot. Let the water start boiling. So they put the burner on, and the water started getting heated up. Once the water started boiling, then teacher said, drop the frog now. The one student picked the frog from outside, and then he tried dropping the frog. As soon as the frog touched the water, water was boiling. The frog thought, oh, it's not correct place. He jumped in one go and went out of the vessel, and he was safe. The teacher told the students, look, my dear friends, this is the story I wanted to tell you to make you understand. Kindly take your decisions at right time. Whenever you think, no, this is the time, you should take your decision then. So, my dear students, whoever is studying in 9th onwards classes, this is the right time for you to say, oh, I will decide what to do. Because once you decide that I will take this path, that path, accordingly you have to put your efforts for studying the relevant subjects. Take your right decision on time. Right time is now. Wishing you all the best. This is HS Raghav, Director, Samadhan Academy, Bangalore.